Welcome to this morning's 10-minute meditation. Today we're going to focus on the beat of our heart. We're actually going to move in to our heart and sit with the comforting beat, playing off of yesterday's Empowerment Through Intuition program where we were talking about drumming and the mysteries behind it. So let's take advantage of our internal drum. And we're going to sit and just listen to the beat and allow it to carry us where we are intended to go. As always, we start with a prayer of protection and the Lord's Prayer. I'll guide us into a very quick meditation. We'll sit silently in our hearts, listening to the beat, allowing it to take us where it will. Actually, let's take a second and think of where we would like it to take us. Would you like it to take you to um, a happy memory? Take you to visit a deceased loved one? Take it to be with the divine for a period of time? You can choose someplace right now before we even get started. So you have a purpose. And then, of course, when we're all done the silent period, we will chime the bells and so as not to jolt you out, and we will close with the 23rd Psalm. So let's get started. Let's begin by taking a deep breath and closing our eyes. Take another deep breath. And as you gently exhale, scan your body from the top of your head down to your feet, feeling for any tightness, any disturbances, anything that's not perfectly clear. And if you find something, simply bring your attention to it and invite it to let go and release that block. Allow your shoulders to relax, your arms. Just get very comfortable. And we shall begin. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen. In this relaxed state, let us notice at the top of our head and at our third eye, there is a stream of energy from the divine pouring into our body. And as we look, it flows all the way through. Just notice it going all the way down and out our feet. This is supplying us with everything we need and then some more. It supplies us with more than we can possibly ever want. This perfect stream, we're going to follow it through our body and have our body rejuvenate and reconnect with this divine energy. Let's feel it as it moves into our head, into our throat. Feel the tingling, feel the expansion of this energy into our chest, down our arms and out our hands, into the trunk of our body, our seat, legs and feet. Our body now is tingling, fully experiencing this powerful divine energy. Let us bring our attention now to our heart. Let us just listen and sit with our heart. Let us notice it, feel it. Notice if it's a little cold. If it is, direct some of that divine light into it. Is it a little tired? Direct some divine light into it. If it feels a little angry, holding on to resentment, let's direct some divine light into it. Let our hearts be soft, gentle, loving. Now just listen. Do you hear it? That simple beat? Let us listen to that beat and let it take us where it shall. And whenever we get distracted, just bring our attention back to the sound of our heart. Let us be grateful for just a moment for this time that we had. Let's bring ourselves fully back into our bodies, lowering the sound of our heart now. Pulling in, we close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. I'm still rocking. It is really amazing. It's like I can't seem to stop it, so I'm not going to. I'm assuming my spirit is still needing to rock to the beat. So you do whatever you need to do to get settled in before getting in a car. Have a great and blessed day. Hope to see you all tomorrow. Bye now.